Budgies are also known as budgiger, are small parrots famous for their remarkable ability to mimic sounds and communicate with each other through various vocalization. One fascinating aspect of their communication is the budgie sleep, where a budgie will quickly jump or leap into air while making a specific vocalization. This behavior is believed to serve multiple purposes, including territorial defense, courtship display, and the social bonding among flock members. The precise meaning of each leap and vocalization can vary depending on the context and the individual birds involved.